So Shared Electric wants to remove the information barrier that is between this energy system that only the engineers need and the end user of electricity. In case end consumer will understand his energy use, he will lower his energy use subsequently, but also an end consumer of energy will use energy at a cheaper hour, at a greener hour, and lower the carbon footprint as a whole.
Once a user signs up to Engage and sets their goals to work towards, we dig into their consumption data and suggest the perfect activities for them. They select when they want to work on those activities and receive messages from Engage at the exact right time. Their actions following the messages gets them points which they can follow on an online dashboard. Here they can also compete against their peers and see how the energy use is improving.
During the last 2 years, me and Anubhav have been working both in Europe and in India on our product. Our team has grown and now we have a very strong team.
Coming to Next Up Challenge was an interesting way to see how the Nordic market, how the market in north of Europe works. Pitching to investors has been a great learning experience. In the last 2-3 months, we have pitched to, let's say, 7 or 8 investors. Like every 2 weeks, there's always an investor pitch, and it just refines the way we talk about our product. 3 months, we have been going through many iterations of this lean methodology, this lean canvas, and we have been following that and sharpening our business case.
For us, Next Step Challenge was an opportunity to interact with utilities. And SE also had a fantastic living lab where we saw we had an opportunity to develop Engage further.
Every time that they turn on a switch to, let's say, wash their clothes or whatever, they think about where this electricity comes from, what's the source of it, and is it the right time to use electricity or not. That's the ultimate vision of Shared Electric, to make people think for a second even before using electricity about the source of it. It's not just something that comes out of your wall anymore.